Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Manscaped the Handyman Compact Face Shaver. It's received 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Gentlemen, meet the Handyman, the compact face shaver from Manscaped that's about to revolutionize your grooming routine. Designed for the modern man on the go, this pocket-sized powerhouse combines precision, portability, and performance. Whether you're heading to the office, the gym, or a weekend getaway, the Handyman ensures you're always looking sharp. With its SkinSafe technology, it delivers a close, comfortable shave without irritation. Perfect for even the most sensitive skin, the ergonomic design fits seamlessly in your hand, while the long-lasting battery means fewer charges and more confidence wherever life takes you. And let's talk convenience. It's cordless, mess-free, and easy to clean, so you spend less time shaving and more time winning. Say goodbye to bulky razors and hello to effortless grooming. Upgrade your routine with the Handyman because every man deserves to feel fresh, polished, and unstoppable. Get ready to take your grooming game to the next level. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.